Hi everyone and Assalamualaikum. Good day. I'm Shikin Aziz. For today's video, I'm going to explain why cleaning and disinfection, or also known as sanitation, are important, especially in food, beverage, and pharmaceutical manufacturing industry. But before that, let's look on actual fact of food safety. Do you know that more than 200 diseases are spread through food? And 1 in 10 people fall in every year from eating contaminated food, and food contaminated with heavy metal or with natural occurring toxins can also cause long-term effects, long-term health problems, including cancer and neurological disorder. About 420,000 people die each year, and this is actually statistic getting from World Health Organization. So for more details, you may visit this website. And sadly, children under 5 years of age are at particularly high risk, with some 125,000 young children dying from foodborne disorder every year. And the consequences of foodborne disease are usually more severe and be fatal for infants, pregnant women, sick people, and the elderly. So, investigation of foodborne disease outbreak have revealed these are actually the important contributing factors. Okay, surprisingly, for these two factors, cleaning and sanitation could easily prevent over 50% of all monetary and life losses. So the two factors is contaminated equipment, poor personal hygiene, alright, and the other factors is unsafe food, inadequate cooking, improper holding temperature, and others. Alright, and monetary losses will include losses due to recalling food and beverages at cost to destroy the recalled products properly. Alright, for example, 27.4 million pounds of delicate meats were recalled and to be properly to be properly disposed. And then the cost of closing, food plant, and establishment. Alright, this is example. So most of the example here are from the US industry, United States industry, where about more than $75,000. This is the average cost of foodborne outbreaks to a restaurant. Right, this is data taken from the National Restaurant Associations. And cost of loss of business and increase in insurance premiums. One of the reason for the contributing factors happen is the old concept in industry, where they still have the perception that the cleaning should be done by people with the lowest education, as they are cheapest labor, and the same perception applies to some extent to the resources which will be applied to other areas more generously, and applied last to cleaning and sanitation, because the process, the cleaning process are downtime where no profit will be generated from the cleaning and sanitation process. So this is common this is common old concept in industry, and it still happen. This old concept seems alright at the beginning, but later problem will develops. Okay, liabilities, expensive product recalls, expensive product recalls, tarnish of brand reputations, and plant and business close, and then more problem will rise, okay, too. And this issue is actually can be how can say we can resolve this issue, okay. We can avoid food contamination issue, foodborne disease, okay. We can avoid by having a cleaning and sanitation procedure, okay, by practicing the cleaning and sanitation procedure, and by having some expertise in the industry, because we need people that have a knowledge on proper cleaning and sanitation procedure, what is the best chemical to be select in order to clean the processing area. Alright. And actually procedure of cleaning and sanitation are simple compared to procedure and work of treating the foodborne disease and to repair the damage on business. Alright, so cleaning and sanitation are a critical part in any operation of producing edible products. They are legal obligations that apply in accordance with the rules, regulation and laws, and they are also trade obligation, right? They are also trade obligation to maintain a high reputation and successful business. And finally, there is a moral and ethical obligation to produce clean, wholesome, non-infected products for the users. Thus, proper preparation can prevent most foodborne disease. Alright, as we can see here, the contribution for foodborne disease. Alright, and the best solution to any problem related to foodborne disease is not medicines or special treatment, but prevention. Right, so the critical prevention method in food and beverage industries are cleaning and sanitations. Alright, I hope this video can give you some knowledge, okay, some answers why cleaning and sanitation are important. Alright, okay, thank you, bye.